Now to St. James, where there are heightened concerns about disease outbreaks from some questionable practices as people try to survive after Hurricane Melissa. Details from Krista Campbell.
Scenes of residents washing at roadside springs while water trucks fill up and distribute the in-demand commodity at nearby rivers in Catherine Hall, St. James. These are signs of desperate times in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa, but health officials are worried.
Some sources have actually popped up during the hurricane, and we are very concerned because we want to ensure that the populace of St. James is protected from waterborne diseases.
She's urging residents to boil or add household bleach before consuming any water collected from natural sources.
For the water truck operators, we say to them that they need to ensure that they're harvesting or they're collecting water from safe sources. In the meantime, we are going to be collecting water samples and sent to our lab in Kingston for testing and further analysis.
For Western Parks and Markets, which manages solid waste collection in St. James and other western parishes, there are also health concerns.
We still have some amount of build-up within the space of Montego Bay, and we are activating our night shift. Right? I am currently putting together a team of drivers as well as sanitation officers. As you know, Montego Bay is without power. However, we'll be, as I say, trying to ensure that we can clean the space starting tonight, going forward until we remove all the mini dumps from the town center.
He says major dump sites are being cleaned and additional equipment and trucks being sought where needed. Meanwhile, special allowances are also being made.
We have waived the fees for the landfill, so those persons affected, if they have storm waste, please proceed to the disposal site. We have set up an area where they can properly dispose, and we'll be seeking additional equipment to ensure that this is properly managed.
And Montego Bay Mayor Richard Vernon is appealing for patience from residents as the National Water Commission tries to restore piped water to affected communities.
What they're doing now is called regulation. So for example, communities such as Bogue Village, West Village, Cornwall Courts, they would experience water perhaps in the evening or in the morning, but find that they don't have for the next part of the day.
He says a water shop set up in Catherine Hall should provide potable water to that community and West Green soon, while the Martha Bray water supply system is expected to be back online by next week. And the mayor says all 17 local government divisions across the parish have received care packages, even as distribution continues. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.